Today we're going to be making an Earl Grey dry vermouth and then using that to make an Earl Grey Negroni, one of my favorite cocktails. All you need are 5 Earl Grey tea bags, a bottle of dry vermouth, and a container to store everything in. Go ahead and put the tea bags in the bottom of the container and then pour the dry vermouth in. Then you'll go ahead and give it a shake, and then for the next 4 to 5 days, shake it at least once a day. And then to strain, you'll need a strainer, a coffee filter, a bowl, and then your container of Earl Grey and dry vermouth. And then you'll pour the contents of the container into the strainer and coffee filter and let that strain to the bottom of the bowl. And now you have your Earl Grey dry vermouth. For the Earl Grey Negroni, you'll need your Earl Grey dry vermouth, gin, Campari, orange bitters, and an orange. Go ahead and put ice into your shaker. And then you'll be putting equal parts gin, Campari, and dry vermouth. I usually use 1.5 ounces. And then go ahead and give it a quick stir. After pouring your Earl Grey Negroni into a glass with ice, go ahead and peel a small section of orange and combine that inside. And that's how you make an Earl Grey dry vermouth and Earl Grey Negroni. Thank you for watching.